Hi, something different today. I have recently signed up to Pause and the Mind charity, Mind for Mental Health, the Pause box, and this is the first one that I've received, and I thought I would do an unboxing and let you know what I think about it. As you'll know if you watch my channel, I am an advocate of self-care and for looking after our mental health, and I thought that this would be really good for me, but also knowing that I'm helping the charity as well. So let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing we've got is little card wrapped in tissue paper. Okay, so I'm just going to open that up and see what it says. Okay, so it says find on the card. Memories are like time travel. They can transport us to a place we love, a friend we laugh, or with a childhood experience that inspires us. Photos can be a wonderful way to remind ourselves of things we've lived, loved, and achieved. Find 3 photos today that will fill you with positivity. Maybe on your phone, maybe hidden in a drawer. You don't need frames and clever displays, just print them out and stick them up. That's really nice. I'm definitely going to do that. Okay, and then it says time to declutter. And there's some tips on here about things that we can do to declutter, such as giving unwanted things a positive send-off, passing books on to friends, and looking after the things that we keep and deciding what we don't need. And it says whether you're clearing out your bag or tackling a bigger space, decluttering involves more than just tidying. It's about surrounding ourselves with the things that we love and things that we genuinely need. Some people find that clearing out things they don't need anymore can help them to feel less stressed and have a real impact on their sense of well-being. Don't think about it as throwing things out. Think about it as choosing what to keep. And I think that's really, really good. I know that when the dining room table, everything tends to get dumped on it, and I just have to tidy it up because otherwise I find it really difficult to, it really does affect me. Okay, then we've got this beautiful grey canvas shopping bag, and it's got a lovely William Morris quote on it. Have nothing in your house that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful. And that's fantastic. I'm going camping soon, and this is going to be a great bag for taking my towel down to the beach. Fantastic. Okay, then we have a little booklet that tells us this is a little me time treat to help boost your well-being, delivered to your door. So it's just about the box, and it's talking about things that we can do to help. And then there's some facts here and a story about Becky, somebody who suffered from panic attacks. So she'll read that later. Then there's a little Pause notebook with some lovely quotes on the bottom. So again, I think that's going to go camping with me. And then at the bottom is the welcome to this month's Pause. Give your home some love and surround yourself with things that bring you joy, like your new tote bag, which we hope you'll love and use as a reminder that it's good to pause. So my overall impression of my first Pause box is that I absolutely love it, and I'm really looking forward to sitting down, having a good read through the It's Time to Pause booklet, and I will definitely be using the notebook and the tote bag, and I'm going to make an effort to find these photos and also to have a declutter. It's really important that we look after our mental health. I've suffered from anxiety and depression in the past, and it's really important that we take some time out for ourselves, because if we don't look after ourselves, then we can't look after anybody else. And I think that this Pause box from Mind is absolutely fantastic, really, really good. I already can't wait to receive next month's. Thumbs up if you like this video, and I will do another one next month. But in the meantime, I just encourage you, have a bit of a declutter, get rid of some things that you don't need, that you don't love, that aren't beautiful, and just feel the benefits of that decluttering. Okay, till next time, thank you, bye.